G'day! In today's video I'm going to talk about Call of Duty Modern Warfare, or more particularly Warzone. So for me, I've got a Asus TUF laptop running an NVIDIA 6600 Ti, 1660 Ti, a Ryzen 7 processor in there, 3750H, and I've been experiencing crashing when I adjust the graphical settings. So I'll just load it up after I do an update. So the issue that I've got right now is whenever I go to change any graphical settings, go into settings, graphics, and let's say I want to change the resolution. Or even simpler, let's change something that shouldn't be in effect right now, anti-aliasing. So I'll drop that down to off and go apply, apply, and we have a DirectX error. So what is that DirectX error? DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error. Check the readme for possible solutions. Everything I found with this didn't really help me, but what I did in the end was one thing that I'd completely forgotten about was this. I had RivaTuner automatically set to start. So every time I'd start up the computer, RivaTuner would start up and then try to eject itself into the game. I did have to make a custom profile for Counter-Strike Global Offensive, but what I discovered was that if I disable RivaTuner or MSI Afterburner from being on auto startup, then I can go into the game and I can adjust pretty much any graphical setting from there. So if you're playing Warzone or Call of Duty Modern Warfare and you are getting a crash like that whenever you adjust graphical settings, and you definitely know you've got MSI Afterburner or RivaTuner installed, typically they get installed as a pair, just make sure they're not running. That very well may help your particular crash that you're receiving. Granted, you can also try upgrading your graphics drivers. I did that myself, that didn't really change much. Nothing I really altered managed to get it going again once more, apart from killing that program. Anyway, I hope that helps you, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.